The continuation of the lower house's hearing on the power outages at the NAIA Terminal 3 last May 1st. The interagency task force investigating the incident says, based on their initial findings, they learned that the electrical equipment at the airport was already outdated. MIAA technical personnel have limited competencies to conduct maintenance of the airport's high-voltage equipment, and the technical team also lacked proper equipment, tools, and procedures for maintaining the system. The MIAA says currently they only have 2 electrical engineers and 27 technicians. As a stopgap measure, the MIAA plans to outsource the operations and maintenance of their high-voltage power system at Terminal 3. But some lawmakers question this plan.
When you consider it as a critical system, dapat tingnan ninyo yung security aspect kaagad. Kung i-outsource mo yan at mapunta sa ibang kamay, delikado po tayo.
Some lawmakers even advised the MIAA to explore other options like asking Meralco to provide dedicated engineers who will monitor the situation at the airport. MIAA pays Meralco around 14 million pesos per month for NAIA Terminal 3's power consumption.
MIAA, i-review ninyo yung kontrata, electric service agreement. Ano ba yung kailangan pang idagdag na serbisyo ni Meralco? Hindi yung bayad lang tayo ng milyones sa Meralco. Tapos yun lang, pag-connect lang nila. Parang ordinary na bahay lang yun na. Pagkatapos mo i-connect, alis ka na kaagad, din monthly magre-reading lang. Hindi po ganon. Pagka malaking load, dapat may add-ons kayo na serbisyo.
The MIAA also reported that NAIA Terminals 1, 2, and 3 simultaneously experienced power outage at around 1 a.m. on May 1st. There was no operational disruption at Terminals 1 and 2 because their backup power that can support 100% of the power load switched on. Unlike in Terminal 3, where its generator sets can only support 30% of the airport's power load and need to be manually turned on. But Meralco is disputing this claim, saying that there was no power interruption at Terminals 1 and 2, but the probability of voltage sag or voltage dip.
EGM, do you confirm the statement of Meralco that what happens with Terminal 1 and 2, walang power interruption?
No sir, namatay yung genset namatay yung power kaya gumana yung genset namin eh. Hindi ko makakapag-assume at this time na hindi namatay yung kuryente doon dahil pumasok po ang genset. At it takes 7 minutes.
Ibig sabihin kung 7 minutes, may power outage.
Siguro po yung power outage, hindi po nag-trip yung circuit breaker sa NAIA Terminal 3 substation ni Meralco serving yung Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. So wala po kami circuit tripping nun.
The interagency task force is still trying to get to the bottom of the power outage on Labor Day. It promised to release the result of its probe next month. Dozens of flights were canceled and thousands of passengers were affected because of that power interruption. Gerg Cahiles, CNN Philippines.